first day on the job. I gotta do good here so I can pay my bills. Hey, are you the boss? Cause this is my first day here.
Yes. Welcome, welcome. This is your first building job, isn't it?
Yeah. I used to work at a bank, but I guess I wasn't doing good enough, so they fired me.
Yeah.
So where do I start?
Welcome. First off, let me show you. So, why do you want to be here?
I just need a job to pay my bills. Whoa! On spell.
Yeah. I expected.
So slippery.
Great.
Hey, who are those guys down there?
I don't know. They're just people, I guess. So basically,
hey guys.
What's that, partner?
Hello.
Hey, I have a really good joke. I have a really good joke to tell you.
Okay.
Actually, do you want to hear a pizza joke?
I guess.
Never mind, it's too cheesy. So basically,
So where do I work?
where you gonna work? He's gonna be working on the pillars.
Okay. Well, this looks kind of risky.
It is. It's a job.
Oh.
It's gonna be risky. Damn it. So
Wait.
basically, this is where.
What are we building this for?
It's a very rich, wealthy person that I really don't like.
I need some water.
Shut up!
Okay.
But, yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. Brayden. Isn't he kind of harsh? Yeah, he's been like this.
Yo, how's the
Yeah?
work coming?
Pretty good.
Okay, where'd you get this guy from?
Oh, I got him while I was out drinking, and when he submitted an application.
Okay.
Boss, it's too heavy. Shush!
Oh, we got you. Yeah.
All right, show me around.
This is where your great little balcony's gonna be.
I like the view. It's pretty deserty out
Okay.
here.
You know, if this palace was a woman, I would kiss her.
Yeah.
Get back to work.
All right, see ya.
See ya.
Me and Brady got something to tell you.
Huh? What?
The boss is favoriting you. What? How?
Well, he's favoriting you, so you know what we have to do to favoriters? Beat him up.
What? You heard me? We're gonna beat you up. Brayden?
What did I
Hey, boss.
hear right now?
Nothing's going on.
Sure. I didn't like. Hey, no hard feelings for, doing things to him, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, well, you can just work up here for now, okay?
Okay.
You know what, Brady? I don't care that I did some, well, punch. Okay? Alright? Okay, hey, calm down. Hey, calm down.
Yeah, no, I'm not calming down no more. You beat me up.
Hey,
I'm gonna beat you down now.
Hey, calm
I'm
Hey,
gonna
what are
get
you
you, I'm gonna
doing?
get you.
Please. Oh my gosh. I need to make it out of here. I don't even know how I made that jump. That was almost impossible.
What happened here?
Hey, aren't you the owner of the mansion?
Yeah.
So what happened here is kind of a long story.
I don't care.
Oh, okay.
Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. And here's all the people that acted. Hunter V. I don't know how to spell your name, but come out. How to say your name? Just come out. He was the boss in the video, and Jace, come out. He was the main character. I forgot his name, but Chase, come out, bro.
My name.
He was one of the workers, and Brayden, come out, bro. My boy Brayden! Yo-ho-ho!
Hey,
He was also the other
you were
worker,
crazy
and I
redneck.
was
You were
the
crazy
mansion
redneck.
owner. So, thanks, guys. Bye.